Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to link your Instagram account to your Facebook account. So first, you need to tap your Facebook account, then tap the three lines at the bottom right corner, and then scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, tap Settings, and then tap Account Center. After that, tap Profiles, and then tap Add Accounts. If you see your Instagram account, tap Continue, and then tap Yes, Finish Setup. That's how you link your Instagram account to your Facebook account. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button or click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.